Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can download apps on your Android TV. So if you want to download any application on your Android TV, what you can simply do is you can go to the apps on the top of the screen. By remote, you can navigate towards the apps by using these navigation buttons. And after that, you can simply go to the Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, you can simply download any app that you want to download. So for example, if I want to download the Boomerang application, I can simply click OK, and I can simply click on the install button that is right here. This is going to download your application and install it as well. So as you can see, it has started the download process. So this is how you download any application on your TCL Smart TV or TCL Android TV. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.